Hey everybody, this is Eric for the Little Whitehouse, and the day has come to transplant this basil. As you can see right here, these leaves are turning a sickly yellow. I have been keeping the roots covered in water, and that is, has helped it stay fairly healthy, but it's getting to the point where I think it needs some kind of different nutrient. So what we're going to do today is transplant this into some dirt, I believe. Okay, I found this grow bag that's been sitting around for a while, and I think I'm going to just put some dirt in there and go ahead and transplant this. Okay, I found this bag of seed starting mix, and I'm gonna just go ahead and finish this off with this. It'll have good nutrients in it. Oh yeah, it's even got pine needles. Okay. So, take a good look at what this looks like now, because I want to check back in a couple of days, and with some water and some nutrients, I want to see if these leaves turn back to a good color, and we'll prune it up and have us some basil. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. If this is your first time at the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. We are also on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. We are also an Amazon affiliate, and we have a free TubeBuddy link down in the description box, so go check it out. Anyway, that's my 2 cents for the day. Thanks for watching, God bless, and see you next time.